Hi. Today we are going to look at the demo of the Suvy Virtual Tutor, which is specifically tailored for K-12 students, tutors, and their parents. Let's take a look on how to use this tool and what it actually can do. So this virtual tutor can be accessed through suvyclasses.com. You can just click on try our virtual tutor banner up top and select your country. So right now 4 countries are supported: India, US, UAE, and the UK. I'm just going to enter my phone number here and get the OTP to register. So I'm checking for my OTP. All right, so let's just log in. All right, so now I have come to the virtual tutor facility. Let's take a look at what it can do for us. It can explain a concept. It can tell us a joke. It can tell us a story. It can even tell us how you can do a particular thing. For example, how a child can do an experiment using, for example, balloons or baking soda. It can help you with a problem, typically a learning problem. And it can also generate practice problems based on any concept that you want to practice further. It can also generate summary notes on a concept that you may have doubts in. So this is very useful for K-12 students, and it's specifically designed to be safe for them and to prompt them in some particular directions where they may be interested to explore about any topic of their curiosity. So let's take a look at generating practice problems. So maybe I want practice problems on quadratic equations in mathematics. I can click on the Ask the Tutor button after entering my prompt, and the answer will appear here. It's loading right now. I just want to point out that this tool is okay to use for any subject, any topic of curiosity, and open to children of all grades. If you want a response for a younger child, just type in the standard here. So maybe quadratic equation for a 4th grader. This tool is AI driven, GPT driven specifically. So we've gotten the response. We have gotten some practice problems about quadratic equations, 5 problems in fact. So if you want to just practice, go ahead and solve those problems and then check your answers with the answer key here. That's one of the functionalities. It can also tell me a story. Now, I can tell it to tell me a story about a particular thing, like for example, dinosaurs. Or I can just remove the prompt and just tell me a random story. I can ask it to give me a random story. So let's see what it types up for me if I give no prompt. But I can also specify a particular prompt, right? So let's just wait up and see what story we get. Explain a concept to me works the same way. You can just click on what concept you want explained and click Ask the Tutor. Well, we got a story now. It's about a group of friends who embark on a magical adventure to find a hidden treasure. Their names are Alex, Emily, Jack, Olivia, and Brian, hanging out at the park one day when they stumble upon an old treasure map. So it sounds like a fun story to start with. If I like the story, I can click on the thumbs up button. And if I don't like it, I can give feedback on what I don't like. This is very useful for us to improve ourselves. So please go ahead, and if you don't like something, please give the feedback. Here I'm just pretending this is the issue I had, that I didn't understand the response, and clicking submit. It's as simple as that. So let's take just one more example. Maybe explain a concept to me, and say I want to be explained all about asteroids. So asteroids and for say 6th grade student, right? Let's just ask and see what we get. So the virtual tutor essentially guides students on specific areas of exploration and makes it a safe space for them, and helps them essentially do things within the bounds of this virtual tutor platform. That's something that if you go outside to directly to ChatGPT or other AI platforms, that you may not have those boundaries defined for K-12 students for learning. Here, it's told me all about asteroids, and maybe I found this answer useful, so I'll just give it a thumbs up. Thank you for looking at this demo. We look forward to your feedback, and we are developing many more features. So if you are a tutor or a parent or an institute partner who wants to help us out in our research and development or try it out with your own students, just let us know. Thank you.